Namaste. Today I would like to talk about this beautiful bhajan which explains the Manas Puja of Lord Dattatreya. It is talking about Samadhi. Samadhi is the eighth branch among the Ashtanga Yoga established by Maharshi Patanjali. Samadhi means oneness. When we blend with our inner self so deeply, we would achieve a state of Samadhi. It is also called Sampatti in Buddhism. In Samadhi, the intellect becomes detached intellect. Samadhi is a meditation absorption or trance attained by the practice of deep inner tranquility. Samadhi is a non dualistic state of consciousness where duality doesn't exist, only one. One, you merge with one, and one is merging with you. This one is called God or Ishvara, in which yogi perceives the identity of the individual soul with cosmic spirit. Samadhi means intense self absorption. Now let's talk about this bhajan. It describes the experience of deep meditation or samadhi, where the individual feels a strong connection with the divine or their chosen deity. And just by sitting in samadhi, the temple is created because you yourself become temple. Your body becomes so pure and divine because of the practice of purity of heart and celibacy. You yourself become temple, so you don't need to go to any temple. Divine comes to you, divine manifests in you, and you become one with God, and God merges in you. So you are one with the Almighty, all the existence, and this body has become the place where godliness or divinity descends.
लागली समाधी झालो दंग समाधीत ध्यान लागले मी आलो एक मंदिरात एक मंदिरात स्थापिली मनाने मूर्ती त्याच मंदिरात ठेवियले नाम प्रेमे गुरुदेव दत्त गुरुदेव दत्त आरंभिली मानस पूजा भक्ति भावनेत ध्यान लागले मी आलो एक मंदिरात एक मंदिरात लागली समाधी झालो दंग समाधीत ध्यान लागले मी आलो एक मंदिरात घातले सचैल स्नान वस्त्र नेसविले आसनावरी नंतर ते गुरु बैसविले दत्त बैसविले उटी चंदनाची लेपण गंध सुगंधित ध्यान लागले मी आलो एक मंदिरात एक मंदिरात लागली समाधी झालो दंग समाधीत ध्यान लागले मी आलो एक मंदिरात